Hello everyone. Today we are going to discover Finger Pulse Oximeter, your health companion. This little gadget is designed to measure two crucial indicators of your health, your oxygen saturation levels and your heart rate. Using the Finger Pulse Oximeter is a breeze. First, remove the back cover and carefully look at the battery compartment to orient and install them. Position your fingers in the device, correctly pointing it towards the LED light inside and turn it on. Wait for a few seconds and 3 different readings will be shown. Wear SpO2 measures O2 saturation in your blood. Healthy range is 95 to 100%. 92% or below is considered an emergency. BPM indicates your heartbeat per minute. And PI represents perfusion index. Important things to keep in mind while using: warm up your fingers before placing in the device. Make sure you're sitting still. Your nails should be free from any nail paint or henna tattoo. To sum it up, this device is a reliable and user-friendly device to take charge of your health. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and share with your friends. As always, stay healthy, stay happy.